Replacing a DCDC. Remove the DC power cables from the faulty DCDC. Disconnect the female connector of the stop valve on the branch liquid cooling pipe from the male connector. Remove the communications cable from the faulty DCDC. Remove the PE cable from the faulty DCDC. Remove the screws from the faulty DCDC. Take out the PCS or DCDC fixture. Switch the fixture to the DCDC position. Secure the fixture to the ESS. Pull the faulty DCDC onto the fixture. Install the lifting handles. Lift the faulty DCDC onto a safe place. Take out a new DCDC and install the lifting handles. Lift the new DCDC onto the fixture. Remove the lifting handles. Slowly push the new DCDC into the ESS. Install the screws to secure the new DCDC. Remove the screws from the fixture. Remove the fixture. Connect the cables based on the labels. Connect the communications cable from the DCDC. Install the liquid cooling pipes. Connect the DC power cable from the DCDC.